In this demo, I will show you how to run machine learning on the data stored in AWS S3 using HeatWave Lakehouse. Here is the console for MySQL HeatWave on AWS. First, we create a HeatWave Lakehouse mapping of the test dataset. We specify an S3 URI of the test dataset as a data source, set a CSV format as the data is a CSV file, and define a table name, Bank Marketing Test. This mapping invokes Autopilot. Autopilot intelligently samples the data and uses a machine learning technique to determine the appropriate mapping of the S3 file to an in-memory representation of HeatWave. For instance, how many attributes there are and what are their names, data types, and precisions. And we do the same for the training dataset. Once the mapping is specified, we can load the data into HeatWave. With the data loaded, let's create a machine learning model. All we need to specify are a training dataset, output column, and machine learning task. Optionally, we can specify an optimization metric. AutoML automates the ML pipeline such as preprocessing, figures out optimal algorithms, the right sets of features, and the optimal hyperparameters. It creates the ML model and stores the model inside the database without the data or the model ever leaving HeatWave. For the chosen model, we can run explanation to see what are the attributes that influence the prediction. In this example, explanation shows the duration of the call which a salesperson made to a customer is a leading indicator to the customer's buying decision. Now we run prediction on a test dataset. First column shows the predicted outcome, while the second column shows the real outcome. For a specific prediction, if you are interested, there are built-in local explanation and what-if analysis tools to analyze why we got the predicted results. This concludes the MySQL HeatWave AutoML demo. If you are interested in learning more, go to oracle.com/mysql.